XRP is about to skyrocket and probably much sooner than me and you can even imagine. This week, we have a potential peace deal with Iran and the US, and the markets are going crazy right now because of it. We have FOMC this week, and also the Clarity Act could be getting a vote this week on the Senate floor. All of these catalysts, if they line up perfectly, will pump XRP massively, and this is just the beginning. XRP could be bottomed. Let me know if you guys think XRP is bottomed. Are we going to go lower? If we have bottom, say bottom. If we are going lower at some point in the near future, say lower in the comments below, which I will be reading after this video. But if you guys want more understanding on the Clarity Act and what has been going on with XRP and cryptos, check out my latest videos. So the Clarity Act is ready, pass it now. So we have gotten major updates last week, which my last videos covered, that the White House, the Republicans have conceded on the ethics provision. And this essentially was the main thing holding up the Clarity Act from getting done. And that is no longer an issue. So that is a very bullish thing. We have the $13 trillion Charles Schwab. They call for US Senate to pass the Crypto Clarity Act. So not only have every single bank and institution basically come out saying pass the Clarity Act, but we are having all these financial groups, hedge funds. It is just getting insane, guys. They got to pass the Clarity Act. They literally have to get it done, because if Democrats do not get it done, they are not going to be voted in, and they do not want to go against the crypto bros. That is a fact. We have XRP on this trend line breaking out. It's finally breaking out. And this is something that you see with a major trend reversal, and it's literally about to take place now. So XRP could actually be breaking out. And it's crazy. Look at this guy. He says, buy when XRP, the monthly RSI, is in the green box, and hold until it is in the red box. The XRP monthly RSI is in the green box. Every time it comes here, XRP bottom. So we are very, very close to the bottom. We're probably at the bottom. This is the time to buy. Guys, this is the time to buy. The bull market's probably going to start up between now and the next 3 months. And this is your final chance to buy XRP at these prices or dollar cost average. And if you are not able to buy any more XRP, just continue to hold like the majority of us. And look at this. All it took was $230 million for a single week to send XRP from 140 to almost 230. 1 week, 234 million. Notice how much red rode through today. And notice how much selling is slowing it down. So the point and the moral of the story is here, guys. XRP, when it pumps really hard and really fast, and people are going to be sidelined. Nobody's going to be ready for this pump. There's going to be the most hated rally we have ever seen for XRP and cryptos coming up. This guy says XRP has been bottom, and I feel sorry for those that will miss out in the next 6 months. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy. So the stock market futures now, it just opened, is surging after the US and Iran halt strikes. So the S&P 500 is up 1%. The NASDAQ is up 1%. Let's take a look at how much they're actually up. So the NASDAQ is up 1.2%. S&P 500 almost nearly 1%. Silver is pumping. Gold is pumping. The market is looking really good. Bitcoin just bounced really hard over the past few days, 3%. You have Ethereum. Look at this, guys. Ethereum just pumped 7%, just made a new high. All coins are showing strength. And what's also crazy is that Dogecoin has been pumping. Shiba Inu has been pumping like crazy. It's already up 45% in the past couple of days. Elon Musk apparently liked this Dogecoin post the other day, and that's why Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are pumping. But it's sending these OG memes up like Pepe and some other coins. So this is quite exciting. When you start to see everything pumping like this is a really good sign. And the main thing that has caused the market to sell off the past weeks is because the US and Iran, they stopped talking and they started bombing each other. And it's just a lot of escalation in the Middle East, and that was causing selling pressure. So if there's a peace deal this week, which is possibly likely, we could get a massive pump. And you see oil is already breaking down. Oil has dumped 11% from Friday. So if this keeps breaking down here, that's going to be very good. We also have FOMC this week, so they're not going to be cutting or raising rates this week, but they might talk about this really good inflation data that we just got, which could potentially hint and gear the Fed towards some rate cuts, or start talking about rate cuts, or some dovishness. So pay attention to that, guys. There's a lot coming up this week. We might get a vote on the Clarity Act this week as well. So stay locked in for that. So the main boss here for the market is Bitcoin needs to break above 67. You break above and hold above 67, XRP and altcoins are gonna start going absolutely insane. And if we take a look here at XRP is looking really good. It keeps holding this angled support, but we have a clear resistance here. A clear resistance right here around $1.20, $1.18. If XRP can start breaking, holding above these highs here, I think we're gonna start to take off like crazy, and you guys are definitely gonna wanna be allocated. That's why I opened up a fresh XRP long that's up $2,000 over on BLOFIN. If you guys wanna trade over on BLOFIN, use my link below. You're gonna get the cheapest fees, VIP 3 and a $10,000 deposit bonus. But if you guys want profitable trades, me and my community, we longed Bitcoin at $64,000 on Friday, and it's now up 2%. So we're looking for a 1 to 3% move, and we're gonna exit. We've already hit 2%. It's possibly gonna be hit 3% tonight. So if you guys want profitable trade alerts, join my community. You guys can try it today for free, the WAP. But you can also join the free community where I'm posting my constant market updates, my alpha, all my inside information. I post it to you guys there for free, which also has my free chat. So check out that, including my ALGOSNIPER trading indicator, which we just gave a huge update. You guys are definitely gonna wanna be subscribed to this. You guys can try ALGOSNIPER today for free. With the new video, I give you guys my whole trading system and strategy that's built off this indicator. So guys, go ahead and check it out today for free. If you guys got anything out of the video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I will see you later.